Hello. So the reason why I'm making this video today, I'm in a mess, okay? And I just wanted to make the video just like the way how I am in a mess. And the reason why I'm making this video is that I ran a prayer on my channel, and those are my words, number one. And I've had two comments saying that it's bad that I'm using IAL to, basically, make prayer. And I find that is very, I don't even know what to say about that, because it's an all generated picture. Yes, but those are my words. It's like, how many people have pictures of, say, Jesus Christ hang up in their house? Isn't that somebody who painted? We don't know what Jesus Christ looked like. Everybody have their own version of how he looked like, what he looked like. Some has say that he's black, some say he's white. There's all sort of things, and you go and you pay money. People go and pay for it, and that's a choice. I can't tell them that's not nobody. You can't go tell them, okay, that's not it's wrong that you have that in your house because that's not what Jesus looked like. You can't tell them that. No, you can't. They sell the Bible in the church. Why are we selling God words when salvation is supposed to be for free? Why selling Bible? There's some church selling the Bible. There's some of them give it for free, because salvation is free. Why selling Bibles? Have you ever heard anybody say, why are we selling Bibles? No, you never heard anyone say, why anyone selling Bibles? People take the Bible and they do bad. So why can't I use a all-generated photo, even though it's not my voice, but those are my words, with the all word, to put a prayer? That is my prayer that I'm putting out there. And God, I already put that out to God. So if you go, there's many videos on that with prayers or any other thing, and you will sit and listen to it. Is it because I'm a small YouTuber trying to grow my channel, or trying to get somewhere doing what I'm supposed to do? Do you think that I'm just doing that because it's okay, because it's a fast way? No. Everything that is from my heart. That is part of my purpose. Okay, so when I put my stuff out there, my all generated photo, and if you don't like it, that's up to you. You don't have to like it. But there's somebody else who is going to benefit from it. Somebody who is going to listen to it and say, okay, this is what I am going to do. This inspires me to do something with my life, to make a change in my life. And that is what is there for. It may not be for you because your mindset is at another way. And that's fine. Pass along, go to the next. And another thing is, if you gotta show you like how people mindset are, because if you're gonna listen to something and say, oh, your first thing you could say, oh, it's all generated, and stuff like that, instead of saying like, okay, how can I make a difference? How can I change this around? Oh, maybe I'm gonna tell her, oh, next time, why don't you use your own voice? You have to, the first thing has to be something negative. Like, this is about positivity. Be positive, stay positive. I'm just like saying, okay? People take the Bible and they do bad with it. God Bible. The Bible that we're supposed to live, or supposed to be our direction of life. They take it and they do bad with it. So we can take AL, and we can use it and do good. Take AL and use it for the good. And this is what I'm doing. And I will continue to do it. Okay? There's a lot of people out there who can benefit from it. And you can benefit from it too. It's not, don't think about the AL. Think about the words. If you listen to something, what difference you can make in your life. Make it click something in your the positive side in your mind. You don't have to look at it in a negative way. That's a choice. You choose that. I choose to use it and do good. You can do the same thing too. It's not everything is negative. Think positive. Get a positive mindset. You will have positive result. There's many videos I go on, I will listen to people, somebody's prayer, and I know it's like our voice, and that's okay. Because I'm listening to the prayer and it could make somebody feel better. I'm listening to the prayer and I could be washing my dishes. It motivates me. That prayer can do many things to many people. So it's what you choose to take from it. You choose to see the negative. You have a choice. You can choose a negative or you can choose a positive. It's like people take the Bible and they do bad with it, and you can choose it for good. It's the choice is yours. People go out there, I repeat myself, and buy all those pictures and says Jesus Christ. They chose that. You never hear to say, okay, it's people who paint it. They will say, oh, I have my picture of Jesus Christ. You never hear they say, oh, it's painted. They look at it as something good. And why is it me? Wow, because is it because I'm a small YouTuber? If I was a big, a billionaire YouTuber, I don't think anyone would come and leave a comment like that. They will say, wow, that's a wonderful prayer. So grow up, see good, think positive, and you will get positive result. In the end of the day, this is positive vibe, just smile network. So let us keep positive. Let us keep praying. I will be sending out a prayer on this channel every single day. Well, I will try my best to do one every single day, so we can keep motivated, keep rooted and grounded. Life is short. Life is short. I don't have time to be reading negative comment about AL and all. Those are always gonna be my words. Those are my words. The life is difficult. People are sick. People are going through a lot. People are going through a lot. I had my daughter was sick, dealing with blood cancer, and this is what helps me: praying. Dr. Charles Stanley, praying. So this is what I'm going to continue to do. It helps me, and you get to show me like the way of life I'm supposed to live and what I'm supposed to be into this world. I'm not just here because I'm alive. Not just because I'm alive. You ask the question, what are you here on earth for? Is it just because you're alive or you want to live? Just don't be alive. Live and find your purpose. We all have a purpose. So find your purpose. This is part of my purpose. Find your purpose.